What flowers can you sow in March in spring? Welcome to Gardening with Ben. It's time to start sowing, everybody, and it's time to start sowing all those seeds. So get your notepad, save this video, and you will be able to start sowing your flower seeds this month. So we're going to tell you what flower seeds can be sown in March in spring for the allotment and the garden. So I hope you find this useful. I'm going to be growing a lot of these myself, so make sure you stay tuned for all the videos because we'll be sowing all these and sharing what we're sowing. So let's get right in and let's get making that list of seeds. So the first up is sweet peas. If you've not started sowing any sweet peas, now is the time to be sowing them. I've also got some sweet peas delivered this week, so we're going to be getting them sown next week. I've got my first sweet peas shooting up in one of my seed trays. Absolutely amazing. Next up is calendula. Now this can shoot up everywhere. Once it's growing, it can shoot out its seeds everywhere, so be careful where you sow it. If you don't mind it popping up everywhere, it's a beautiful flower to have in the garden. Next up are cornflowers. They come in pinkies, blues, whites, absolutely gorgeous for any flower garden. Larkspur, another great flower to add to the garden. Candy tuft, you can grow that as well this month, and annual poppies. We're going to be growing some of these this year as well. Those are all the annuals that you can grow. That means that they'll just grow once and then they'll die off and you'll need to sow some more next year. Next up are half-hardy perennials, which means that if you fetch them inside, they might survive during the winter and then you can plant them back out next year. But if you leave them outside, they will die off in the cold and the frost. So first up is cosmos, zinnias. I'm going to be growing most of these, to be honest. Marigolds, absolutely gorgeous, great for tomato plants, so great for helping ripen them and keeping the pests away. I'm going to be having loads in my polytunnel, so it's going to look absolutely gorgeous this year. Next up are nasturtiums. You can actually eat them as well. Peppery taste, but another great addition to any allotment. Next up are petunias and lobelias, great for hanging baskets and for tubs because they can overflow, so check the variety, and some spread out and look absolutely gorgeous. Next up is salvia. I'm going to be sowing some of that this year, so stay tuned for that video. We'll put it on when we're going to be sowing them. Next up are perennials, which means that they'll grow back year after year and keep flowering every year. So if you can get any perennials growing from seed, it's perfect because then they'll come back year after year and you'll save yourself money, save yourself time, and you can get some great flowers from them. So first up are delphinium. Now they won't flower this year, they'll flower next year, but if you start them off now, they'll give them a head start for next year. Same goes for lupins, possibly no flowers this year, but you can be ready and prepared for next year. And same goes for foxgloves as well. You can also grow rudbeckia. Now I'm going to be growing some of those. The ones that I'm sowing are half-hardy perennials, so I'll have to fetch them inside if I want them to survive for next year. If I leave them outside, they'll die due to the cold and the frost. Next up is Aquilegia, another one which spreads and pops up everywhere. I know people that have sown some from seed and they just pop up everywhere, but they're absolutely gorgeous and the bees love them as well. Some beautiful colours out there for Aquilegia. Next up is dianthus. I'm going to be growing some of those from seed as well this year, so make sure you stay tuned for the video on that. A great flower and it looks great in borders and rockeries. And last up is hollyhock. Again, it might not flower this year, it might flower next year, so be prepared not for it to flower in its first year. So those are all the seeds that you can sow for flowers this year. Make sure you check out my other video of what vegetable seeds you can sow this month as well. Drop us a follow, drop us a save, and share it to friends, families and groups. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.